Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to give you a concise and easy to understand summary of the pros and cons of using Keap, formerly known as Infusionsoft. Now let's get started. If you look at the aspect of all-in-one CRM plus CRM, the pro is that Keap combines CRM, email marketing, automation, sales pipeline and payments in one platform. While the con is that it can be overwhelming for beginners because there are lots of features to learn and configure. So when you look at the marketing automation, the pro is that it is powerful. It has a drag and drop automation builder with triggers, sequences, tagging, and scoring. While the con is that its automation setup can be time consuming and may require professional help for complex flows. Then we look at client management aspect of it. Yes, Keap offers pipelines, appointment booking, tax, scheduling, lead scoring, and customizable stages. While the con is that it has an out-of-box reports and that can feel kind of basic. Deeper analytics need custom dashboards or integrations. You look at the e-commerce integration aspect of it, it has built-in options for payments, memberships, and product upsells. The con is that the transaction fee applies, and pricing can escalate quickly with growing sales volume. Now, when you look at scalability, it is ideal for small businesses that are ready to grow, scales from new startup into middle-sized operations. While the con is that the pricing moves from below $165 per month for Keap Pro to $299 per month for complete. So it can be pricey for solo premiums. When it comes to ease of use, Keap has a pre-built templates. Yes, it has pre-built templates and campaign marketplace that helps jumpstart automations. The disadvantage of the con is that the UI can feel dated and learning curve remains even with the templates. Let's look at the support and training aspect of it. It offers onboarding, it offers live chat, phone support, and rich educational resources. The con is that the personalized support often costs extra, and ongoing training time adds overhead. If we look at the integration aspect of it, it connects with Zapier, QuickBooks, Shopify, WooCommerce, WordPress, and many others. The con is that some third-party integrations require middleware or custom API to work. In summary, Keap is best for growing small businesses, coaches, consultants, and service providers needing a single platform to manage leads, automate follow-ups, and scale sales. Now, why should you choose this? It has multi-layered automation plus CRM plus e-commerce tools in one ecosystem with automation templates to get started faster. But keep in mind that the features are extensive and they can be kind of complex. The learning curve also is real, and pricing can climb quickly with advanced features and sales volume. Hope you found this video helpful.